In this quick video, I will show you how to buy Baby Doge Coin step by step. So the first step is to go to app.uniswap.org, then connect your wallet. As you can see, I have connected my MetaMask wallet, and then change your network into Ethereum network. Then go to coinmarketcap.com. On the search bar, type down Baby Doge Coin. Then scroll down and you will see here the contract. Copy the contract address here. Go back to Uniswap, click here, and paste the address here. Click here, then select a token you want to swap, for example, Ethereum, and then type down the amount of Ethereum you want to swap, for example, 1 Ethereum. And also, before you click swap here, make sure that you change the slippage tolerance to 10% and above. Because Baby Dogecoin or Baby Doge employs three simple functions: reflection plus liquidity pool, acquisition plus burn. And for each swap, the transaction is charged a 10% fee, which is split into two ways. And you can see here the breakdown. So you must change the slippage tolerance above 10%. So for example, you want to set the slippage tolerance to 15%. But if you want, you can also just click auto here and it will automatically set your slippage tolerance. And you can see here that the slippage tolerance is 26%, which is above 10%. And then, once you type down the amount of Ethereum you want to send and set the slippage tolerance, you can now click here and the confirmation from MetaMask will pop up. Just pay for the gas fee and make sure that you have enough Ethereum in your MetaMask wallet to pay for the gas fee. And then just wait for the transactions to be completed. And once the transactions have been completed, you can just go back to MetaMask wallet and then check if you have received the baby Dogecoin. But if you can see your baby Dogecoin here, click import tokens, go to custom token and paste the contract address here, and then click add custom token, click here, and then you will be able to see here your baby Dogecoin. If you have any questions about how to buy baby Dogecoin on Uniswap, leave a comment below.